You want to put her on one of these carts? Oh, okay.
Is that alright?
Fine with me.
Come on, Cat. Come here, Cat. I know I'm not always the most patient with you. Come here. Who's a good girl?
We're gonna have to like walk around with release forms so people can sign that yes, it's okay if we put them on CowCatLive.com. I was thinking about that, like people are talking about her, and I was gonna, you know, turn the camera and be like, oh, here's the person who's speaking, and I was like, oh.
If someone is in a public place, they automatically have given their consent.
Oh, really? Oh, okay.
Unless it is a, I don't know, like a...
Right. Okay. Well, I would turn it off if someone asked me to.
Well, I mean, an individual can't, though. A place of business that owns these.
Oh, okay. So Lowe's can tell us too, but the individual can't.
Yeah, and they have a lot of precedent and reason for doing that.
Okay.
They can say it's detracting from their business. They can say it's distracting from their business. They can say that...
I think CowCat is bringing in business.
Yeah, well, and some stores don't want you videotaping inside. Like Hot Topic doesn't want cameras inside. Because people take pictures if they're just blah, 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 so...
Uh-oh. Here comes the big reaction.
Come on, you're fine, come on.
Good now.